Yeah.
Labas ang isang high-profile detainee sa pigitan ng National Bureau of Investigation kahit walang order ng husga. This committee will allow you to have your introductory statement because we will be asking you later on succeeding questions. So, pwede nyo na patayin yan, nakamistra. Go ahead, Atty. De La Voz.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Pending studies. Mr. Randy Godoy, Mr. Eric Loreto, Mr. Arjan Ganson, Mr. King Martin, Ms. Diana Veloso, and Mr. Pepe Piedad Jr. Yes, Mr. Chair. Kindly raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth in this proceeding? The others will administer, Mr. Chair.
Maraming salamat, pipilitan. So, bago ko pasalitain si Director De La Voz, makita nga natin ito na